Hello my dear students, myself Vishal Virani, and today we are going to discuss about the class 12 statistic part 2 lesson number 1, and the lesson number 1 is the probability. Okay, so in this chapter today we are going to solve the exercise number 1.1. Okay, and in this lecture today we are going to solve the example 1 to 5. Okay, so come on to the example number 1. Example number 1 is that state the sample space. We have to state the sample space for these three events. Okay, for the following random experiment, a balanced coin is thrown 3 times. Okay, we have to write the sample space when a balanced coin is thrown 3 times. Okay, if we throw a balanced coin 1 time, then how many sample space it will be? H and T, it will be 2. Yes, if we throw a second balanced coin, then our sample space is also H and T. Yes, if we throw a third balanced coin, then our sample space is also H and T. Yes, but in this event we throw a 3 balanced coins simultaneously, and now we have to write the sample space for this event. Okay, so now sample space for this event is that if we take H from one coin, then the H from the second coin and H from the third coin. Okay, then H and T, then H, T, then H, T, H, then H, T, T. Okay, now T, H, H, yes, then T, H, T, T, H, T. Okay, then T, T, H, T, T, H, and then T, T, T. Okay, so how many sample point in our sample space? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, and how we can calculate it? Number of the sample space n is equal to here 2 into 2 into 2. Yes, the 2 into 2 into 2 means 2 dash to 3, so is equal to 8. Okay, so the number of sample point in our sample space is equal to 8, and the element of the sample space is HHH, HHT, HTH, HTT, THH, THT, TTH and TTD. Okay, so this is the sample space for this experiment. Okay, now second event is that a balanced die. Yes, a balanced die with 6 sides is 6 sides and a balanced coin tossed together. Okay, one balanced die and one coin are balanced together. Okay, if we throw a balanced die, then how many sample space for it? 1 to 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, if we toss a balanced coin, then our sample space will be H and T. Yes, and now we have to write the sample space when we throw our balanced die and balanced coin together. Okay, so our sample space U is equal to 1H. Okay, 1H, then 2H, 3H, 4H, 5H, 6H. Okay, 3H, 4H, 5H, 6H. Now 1T, 2T, 3T, 4T, 5T and 6T. 1T, 2T, 3T, 4T, 5T and 6T. Yes, so this is our sample space for this event 2. Okay, now event 3 is that two persons are to be selected from the first 5 person A, B, C, D. We have to select only 2 person out of the 5 person A, B, C, D. Okay, so how many possible outcome? How many the sample of the sample point of the sample space? Okay, so number of the sample space, number of the sample point of sample space is equal to and it is denoted by n. So n is equal to how many number total? 5 number, and we have to select a 2 number out of 5 number. Yes, so the n is equal to 5c2. Okay, 5c2 means 5 multiplied by 2 upon 5 multiply by 4 upon 2 multiply by 1. So 2 is cancelled. So 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Yes, so the number of sample point in the sample space will be 10. Okay, and the element of the sample space means we have to write the sample space for this experiment. U is equal to, U is equal to, we have to select a 2% out of this 5%. Okay, suppose 2% is A and B. If 2% is A and C, then A and D, then A and E. Okay, and the 2% will be B is C and B D. Yes, then B E. Okay, now C D, then C E, and last one is D E. Okay, here we can count the sample point of the sample space: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Yes, so the number of the sample point of the sample space is 10. Yes, here we can find by the n is equal to 5c2. Okay, and this is our sample space U. Done. Okay, now we are coming to the example number 2. Example number 2 is the write the sample space. We have to write the sample space for the mark in a integer number. Okay, our sample space are in a integer number. Marks scored by a student appearing for an examination of 100 marks. Okay, 100 marks का एक पेपर लेना है. Okay, and state the number of the sample point of in it. Okay, तो 100 marks का पेपर लेना है तो कितने मार्क्स आ सकते हैं स्टूडेंट का? 0 भी आ सकता है, 1 भी आ सकता है, 2 भी आ सकता है. तो टोटल की कहाँ तक आ सकते हैं? 100 तक. 0 से लेके 100 तक मार्क्स आ सकते हैं स्टूडेंट के लिए. क्लियर? सो द सैंपल स्पेस U इज इक्वल टू 0 से लेके 100 तक. Yes, so this is our sample space. And the second question is that the number of sample point, and we have to count the number of the sample point. So number of the sample point, the number of the sample point of sample space, how many it will be? 1 to 100 means 100 and 0. We have to add one more sample point. So 100 plus 1 is equal to 101. Yes, the number of the sample point in the sample space is equal to 101. Clear? Write down it. Okay. Now we are coming to the example number 3. Example number 3 is that write the sample space. We have to also write the sample space for what? For random selecting a one minister and one deputy minister from the 4 person. Yes, there is a total 4 person, and our event is that selecting a one minister and the one deputy minister. Yes, so suppose there are 4 person is of a, we give a name of the 4 person. Suppose there are 4 person is that A B C D E. A B C D, sorry, we have to select there is a total only 4 person, so the name is that A B C D. Okay, now we have to select one minister and one deputy minister out of this 4 person. Okay, so how many sample point in the our sample space? We calculate the same number of the sample point of the sample space. Okay, so number of the sample space, sample point of sample space. Okay, and it is denoted by n. Okay, first of all, if we select a one minister out of 4 person, yes, we have to select a one person. Yes, one minister out of 4 person. Clear? So it is we have to select one minister out of a 4 person. Now we have to select a one deputy minister, but out of remaining 3 person. Yes, because one person is already selected as a minister. Yes, now remaining 3 person will be selected as a deputy minister. Okay, so deputy minister is selected from the remaining person, and the remaining person will be 3 years. So it will be 4C1 is equal to 4 and 3C1 is equal to 3. So 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. Yes, so our number of the sample point of the sample space is equal to 12. Okay, but now we have to write the sample space for this experiment, and the sample space for this experiment is denoted by U, and it is equal to, okay, if we select A as a minister and B is the deputy minister, then A is the minister and C is the deputy minister, A is the minister and D is the deputy minister. Okay, now suppose B is the minister, then A is the deputy minister, B is the minister, then C is the deputy minister, B is the minister, then D is the deputy minister. Okay, then C is the minister, then A is the deputy minister, then C is the minister, then B is the deputy minister, C is the minister, then D is the deputy minister. Okay, now come on to the D. D is the minister, then the A is the deputy minister, D is the minister, then B is the deputy minister, then D is the minister, then C is the deputy minister. So this is our sample space. Here we can count the sample point of the sample space: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, so the number of the sample space is equal to 12. Clear? Okay, now we are coming to the example number 4. Example number 4 is that a balanced coin in throw on a random experiment till the first head is obtained. Okay, हमको कॉइन को टॉस करना है. कब तक टॉस करना है? कि जब तक हेड ना आए ना तब तक हमको कॉइन को टॉस करना है. ओके, द एक्सपेरिमेंट इज टर्मिनेटेड. एक्सपेरिमेंट है वो हमको खत्म कर देना है. कब खत्म कर देना है? विथ अ ट्रायल ऑफ द फर्स्ट हेड. जब फर्स्ट हेड आए ना तब हमको एक्सपेरिमेंट है वो खत्म कर देना है. क्लियर? राइट द सैंपल स्पेस. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दैट राइट द सैंपल स्पेस, and second question is that write the sample space of this experiment, and second question is that state the whether is finite or infinite. यस, जो कोई भी हमारा सैंपल स्पेस आता है वो फाइनाइट है कि इनफाइनाइट है वो भी हमको बताना है. क्लियर? नाउ एक्सपेरिमेंट इज दैट वी हैव टू टॉस अ बैलेंस्ड कॉइन. यस, टिल वी गेट द फर्स्ट हेड. यस, जब तक फर्स्ट हेड ना आए ना तब तक हमको ये एक्सपेरिमेंट करते रहना है. सपोज हमने एक कॉइन है उसको टॉस किया है तो उसमें हेड आ गया, तो अब हमको है वो एक्सपेरिमेंट है वो वहां पे खत्म कर देना है. अगर जो टेल आया तो हमने पहली बार कॉइन को टॉस किया और टेल आया तो अब हमको एक्सपेरिमेंट खत्म नहीं करना है, दूसरी बार एक्सपेरिमेंट करना है. कब तक एक्सपेरिमेंट करना है? जब तक हेड ना आए तब तक. ओके, तो हमने पहली बार टॉस किया तो टेल आया तो हमको दूसरी बार टॉस करना पड़ेगा, और दूसरी बार टॉस करते हैं तब एच आता है तो यहाँ पे हमारा एलिमेंट टी एच आ गया. ओके, सपोज हम पहली बार टॉस करते हैं तो टेल आता है तो हमको दूसरी बार टॉस करना पड़ेगा, और दूसरी बार भी टॉस करते हैं तब भी टेल आता है. यस, तो हमको तीसरी बार टॉस करना पड़ेगा, और तीसरी बार टॉस करते हैं और अब हेड आ जाता है. जब ये हेड आ जाए तब हमको एक्सपेरिमेंट है वो खत्म कर देना है. क्लियर? सपोज हम पहली बार टॉस करते हैं तब टेल आता है, दूसरी बार टॉस करते हैं तब भी टेल आता है, तीसरी बार टॉस करते हैं तब भी टेल आता है. तो टेल आता है तो एक एक्सपेरिमेंट हमको कंटिन्यू करना है, और चौथी बार हम जब टॉस करते हैं तब सपोज हेड आता है तो यहाँ पे हमको एक्सपेरिमेंट है वो खत्म कर देना पड़ेगा. तो ऐसा तो चलता ही रहेगा. यस, ऐसा तो चलता ही रहेगा. कब तक चलता रहेगा? जब तक पहली बार हेड ना आए तब तक ये एक्सपेरिमेंट है वो कंटिन्यू रहना चाहिए. ओके, सो दिस इज द आवर सैंपल स्पेस फॉर दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट. ओके, नाउ सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज दैट स्टेट द वेदर इज फाइनाइट और इनफाइनाइट. ये जो सैंपल स्पेस है वो फाइनाइट है कि इनफाइनाइट है? वो कैसे डिफाइन कर सकते हैं कि हम सैंपल स्पेस के जो सैंपल पॉइंट है वो काउंट कर सकते हैं तो वो फाइनाइट है, अगर हम वो काउंट नहीं कर सकते हो तो वो इनफाइनाइट है. ओके, तो यहाँ पे सैंपल स्पेस है तो उसके सैंपल पॉइंट है वो फिक्स है, उसको हम काउंट कर सकते हैं. नहीं, वो फिक्स नहीं है, उसको हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते, वो तो कितने भी कितने भी आ सकते हैं, क्लियर। उसका सैंपल स्पेस है, उसके सैंपल नंबर ऑफ द सैंपल पॉइंट इज नॉट फिक्स सो दिस सैंपल स्पेस इज अ इनफाइनाइट सैंपल स्पेस। यस, ये एक्सपेरिमेंट तो चलता ही रहेगा, इसमें कितने सैंपल पॉइंट है वो हम नहीं बता सकते। कब बता सकते हैं, जब एक्सपेरिमेंट खत्म होगा तब हमको पता चलेगा कि इतने ही सैंपल पॉइंट आए हैं। एक्सपेरिमेंट करने से पहले हमको नहीं पता है कि कितने सैंपल पॉइंट आए हैं। ओके, और यहाँ पे हमको देख सकते हैं कि सैंपल पॉइंट है वो हम नहीं गिन सकते, सैंपल पॉइंट नहीं गिन सकते। इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि नंबर ऑफ द सैंपल पॉइंट इन द सैंपल स्पेस इज इनफाइनाइट। यस, सो दिस सैंपल स्पेस is called as the infinite sample space. Okay, so this sample space is infinite sample space, infinite sample space. Clear? Okay, now we are coming to the question number 5, and question number 5 is the write the sample space. We have to write the also sample space for the experiment of the random selecting a 3 number. We have to select a 3 number from the first 5 natural number. Okay, we have to select a 3 number from a first 5 natural number. There the first 5 natural number is that first 5 natural number. It will be 1 2 3 4 and 5, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Yes, we have to select a 3 number out of this first 5 natural number. Okay, so how many total possible outcome, how many the sample point of the sample space? Okay, so we are calculating the number of sample point of the sample space. Yes, number of sample point of the sample space, and it is denoted by n. So n is equal to okay, we have to select a 3 number out of 5 number. Yes, so we have to select a 3 number out of 5 number. Yes, so this is the our number of sample point for this sample space. Okay, and value is that 5c3 means 5 multiplied by 4 and multiplied by 3 upon multiply by 3 multiply by 2 and multiply by 1. So 3 cancel and 2 cancel. So number of the sample point in the sample space is 10. Yes, but we have to write the sample space. Yes, sample space is denoted by u. Yes, now we have to select a 3 number out of this 5 number. If we select a 1 2 3, yes, then 1 2 3, then 1 2 4, then 1 2 5. Okay, now if we select 1 3 4, then 1 3 5. Okay, if we select 1 4 5, yes, and we can select 2 3 4. Yes, and we can select 2 3 5, and we can select a 3 4 5 also, 3 4 5. Yes, so this is our sample space. Okay, sorry, and one more is that 2 4 and 5, 2 4 and 5. Yes, 2 4 and 5 we can't write, we have not write it, so last one is the 2 4 5. Yes, so this is our sample space. Okay, now we can count the sample point of this sample space. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Yes, the number of the sample point of the sample space is 10. Okay, clear? Write down it, done it. Okay, so keep practicing and we will meet you in next lecture.